In front of me is Nokia 6310 from 2021, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first you need to open the menu. Now locate settings, so just scroll and find settings, then just tap on home button to select, and here go to display settings. Now choose wallpaper, and you can choose something from your own photos by picking photos, or choose one from default wallpapers, and this is what I will pick. As you can see, we've got 4 color options, so let me pick this one, and then you can fit it as you only want to. Let me rotate it, and from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.